Okay, there's another episode of the Epic DIY deck project. We took the old railing down. It was from our old deck. It went right where this 2x4, and the other side is tent. And the plan was, why don't we just take it off for now, and then we're going to put it on this end here to make it safe. And when I was taking it apart, I noticed that this is the bottom of the post that was sitting on the deck, and all that was keeping this post on the deck was a screw here. But that's all that was holding the post down. So all I can figure is, when the other deck piece was on here, that's what kept this railing secure, because like that's how secure the deck is. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like that pre-cut some 4x4 posts, and I'm going to put them here, and then I'm going to bolt it through, and I feel a lot better than that than this kind of thing. I mean, that's rickety and not safe at all. So what I did is I measured from the top of the deck, mark it from the bottom up, and this is my little helper board. I put this here like this, screw the screw in, screw that screw in, and then I kind of hang it off the side of the deck. Okay, here's the post. It's just sitting here. I'll put a screw in here, just tack it in place. Then I'll get it all level up top. A bolt in here and a bolt in here. Okay, I'm putting in some 3/8 bolts here with a washer on the end. Okay, progress went well with the railing project. Had to monkey around with it to get it to fit, because I had pre-cut all my posts a certain height. So what I end up doing is these rails were pre-drilled. I took about a ½ an inch off at the top on my table saw, and then down the bottom here, screwed it in there. So I got the spindles in. Okay, this is my first time doing railing. I just put this temporary piece on the top here, make it secure. Stuck a piece down here to secure the old rickety railing until I get that finished, and I got it secured on the end there. So it went pretty well. Happy with the results, and then I'll have to start the other side. Thanks for watching.